I'm Austin Hart. I'm the metal shop teacher at Sweet Home High School. I teach a whole series of different classes. You're going to take Metals 1, Metals 2, Metals 3, drafting and manufacturing out here. Metals 1 and Metals 2 are going to be basic entry-level welding classes where you are going to learn different welding processes and cutting processes and different shop equipment. Drafting, I'm going to teach you how to do technical drawings and sketches and lay those parts out and kind of the more brains of the operation. Metals 3 and manufacturing are ran together as a production class. Metals 3 students are more of the labor and manufacturing is more of the foreman. And that's the class that we're going to take on outside projects or internal projects and go through the entire process from planning to bidding to material processing to building and kicking out a final product.